Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your Netflix black screen error without sound issue on Android devices. In order to fix it, so basically there are different reasons why the issue occurred. Now, if you hear sound but see video, or if the video goes black while watching it, or a video cable stop Netflix from showing the particular video. So in order to fix it, what you can do is you can restart the device, and at the same time you can also reinstall the Netflix application, and that might be able to fix your issue all at once. If that is not working out, then sometimes updating the application can be an essential way of fixing it. So all you have to do is head over to your Play Store and then type in Netflix and update the application. After updating as well, still you're facing the similar issues, then what you can do is you can disconnect any of the cables or any of the connectivity that your device is currently running on, and that might be able to fix the issue all at once. So these were some of the ways to fix your Netflix black screen error without sound issue on Android devices. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.